Test your knowledge of Danu, the enigmatic mother of the Tuatha Dé Danann and one of the most mysterious figures in Celtic mythology. Danu's influence shaped which Irish cycle? The name of which river is linked to Danu? Which god is most often called Danu's son? What people did Danu's children defeat? What type of wisdom is Danu associated with? What supernatural realm is linked to Danu? Which place might have been sacred to Danu? Who are considered Danu's divine children? What animal is often tied to her myths? Which realm do Danu's children rule? Which enemy sought to dominate Danu's kin? What does Danu's name most likely mean? What sacred item is linked to Danu's people? What form of worship honored Danu? Which goddess shares traits with Danu? What did the Milesians do to Danu's children? Your journey through the myths of Danu has only begun. Will you seek more wisdom on ancient belief systems? Remember to like, subscribe, and follow for more stories and quizzes from Broken Sword Gaming.